Welcome back to the channel, guys, where we're talking about everything to do with token launches and airdrops. Basically, anything that can make you thousands of percent in the crypto space in seconds, all right? Now, this might sound crazy to you, but if you follow the playlist on this YouTube channel, you're going to see I talk about a lot of different platforms. Like, for example, today we're talking about Gate.io. They have a startup launch platform, all right? And what happens is crypto projects that want to begin, they come to these companies and say, I want to launch. Can you help me build liquidity? And then people like us go in, we get it at a very discounted price. And when it gets to a really high price, we make a lot of profit. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes. So make sure you watch all the videos in this playlist because I talk about Binance, Pancake, Gate.io, X-Launch, so much more, where you can make so much money. So let's get it. All right, guys, on Gate.io, okay, you're going to see this is what it actually looks like on here, right? Gate.io has a token launch and airdrop section with an accumulated airdrop so far of $114 million. Now, how does this work? So what you're going to do is when you come on here, okay, you can see what is in progress. And I'm going to talk about ATRS very, very soon, all right? But I want to show you something that is finished. So let's just go to one that is random, okay? So this one's got 2 million. This has got 111 million USDT. So let's go to HiveSwap. Now, this just finished. So if you got involved with HiveSwap, okay, you'd have made a lot of money. And it doesn't mean that you have to have sniped it really fast or you need inside knowledge. Simply come to the link underneath this video every time I make a video and see what is coming up next. And I'll show you one at the end of this video. All right, guys, so you're going to go to the more of finish and you can see over 1,288 programs that have finished. Okay, you can see, guys, these are airdrops, okay, and these will make you an incredible amount of money. Like an incredible amount. Now, I want to find a fundraised token launch for you. Okay, so on page 2, you can see here, Otherworld, okay, 112 million USDT fundraise, okay? Absolutely insane. So let's go to this and check it out. Now here you can see it has all the information about the project, okay? This was a Web3 social protocol. I'm not here to review this project for you. I'm here to show you how much money you would have made. So let me take you to the chart. Okay, guys, so looking at the chart, okay, for Otherworld owned, which you can see is the project that I've randomly picked to show you. Okay, so once this project was in the launch, you can see the price here, while everybody was getting involved on Gate.io, okay, the price was steady, okay, absolutely steady. Now, once launched, okay, you see this part here, okay, this is where the launch on Gate.io is. Gate.io, my spelling is terrible, okay, that's here. Then, guys, we saw enormous growth, enormous. Now, I want to make something very, very clear. This is not a review channel from me. This is not me saying you should buy here. Okay, I'm not saying buy here and then hold it forever until it comes back down to here and then make this much profit. I'm not asking you to make this much profit. I'm asking you for when it gets up to here to start taking profits as it comes down. So you can make multiple 6 figures on every coin. Because most coins, guys, all right, will do this. Most coins will launch. And if you sell here, and you sell here, and you sell here, and you sell here, and you sell here, as it comes back down, you will make a lot of money, okay? Always keep some. Always keep some of the tokens because you never know. It might just go like this, okay, come back down, and then shoot up, and you'll make a lot of money, right? Who knows? But most tokens straight after launch always have a retractment. So always sell your profit, a little bit of your profit, make loads of money, okay, dollar bills. And then once it's done this, wait for it to go back up and then sell again, okay? DCA all the way down. Make money, guys. And you could literally make thousands and thousands of percent on this. It's ridiculous, okay? Absolutely crazy. You can see here, okay, the progress, 150% of it already done. All right, it's finished. It's crazy how the price of before it launched, okay, was sat under 10 cents. And at its peak, over 35 cents. So you can see that's already like a 5x on this token, guys. And there is so much more. That's just one random one I found on Gate.io. Now, for one day is coming up, okay, we have ATRS coming up, guys. This is one that you can get in and get thousands and thousands of percent on possibly. All right, you just have to come in here, get yourself a Gate.io account. There's a link down below to do that. And get involved, guys. This could go huge. This is a really cool project. I've actually been researching this, okay? It's a platform designed to help the Web2 developers, players, and NFT creators transition to the Web3. So it's really, really filled with value in their utility. So if this is something you want to get involved in and you want to see some gains like this, okay, because I know not many people in the crypto world will see their token go like this and then shoot up, okay? But using these launch pads definitely does. If that's something you want to do, guys, get involved, right? Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. I'm excited for this. ATRS, I'm going to get involved with for sure. And I'm also going to go through every other one, Binance, Polkadot, go through this playlist. You'll see there's a lot I'm getting into in the next couple of weeks. I'll see you next time.